Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. Ready for today's class?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So who is going to summarize what we did yesterday? Who is going to do it? Why is Serafina and Sarah together? Are you all neighbors?
Yes, Nora.
Yes.
Okay. Who is going to... Yes, Nora has raised her hand. Yes, Nora.
A child loves
Hmm.
peace.
Okay.
Child.
What is the name of the poem?
The name of the poem.
Hmm.
Oh, Nani, tell me a tale.
Hmm.
The
Okay.
child.
Hmm.
The child
Hmm.
loves
Hmm.
to
Hmm.
listen stories.
Okay, she likes to listen to stories. Okay, and then what happens?
Oh, Nani, tell me a tale
Mm.
of friendly dog. That
Whom is she asking to tell the stories?
the nanny.
Who is Nani?
Grandmother.
Grandmother, okay.
Yes.
So she's asking her grandmother to tell her stories. And what type of stories does she want to hear?
The friendly dog wags his tail
Mm.
of
Mm.
of hills and
Mm.
valleys
Mm.
and forest
Mm.
green
Mm.
of small fairies
Mm.
and
Mm.
their queen.
Okay. So she likes to listen to stories of friendly dogs, hills, valleys, forest, fairies, and fairy queens. Okay, very good. So that is where we stopped yesterday. The girl who likes to listen to stories is asking her nani or grandmother to tell her stories. Okay? Yes. So shall we continue?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So I will read from the beginning and then I will move on to the next paragraph.
Okay, ma'am.
Anna, Mary, Suhana, all of you please mute your audios. Okay. Oh Nani, tell me a tale of a friendly dog that wags its tail, of hills and valleys and forests green, of little fairies and their queen. Oh Nani, tell me a tale of lions and tigers and ships that sail, of heroes who win wars, and the sun, moon, and stars. Oh Nani, I will never forget the tales I hear after sunset. Okay, so again in the second paragraph, she is telling her grandmother to tell her stories. So she likes different kind of stories. Here she is asking her grandmother to tell her stories of lions, tigers, and ships that sail. Have you all heard of any story about lions? Any famous story of a lion that you can tell me? Anything that your grandparents or parents have told you? Yes, Heaven is raising his hand. Which story is it? Huh? What is it? What?
Lion King.
Lion King. Okay, Lion King. Okay, what else? Yes, Serafina.
Lion and the mouse.
Lion and the Mouse. Yes, Lion and the Mouse. Okay, then? Any other stories? So, yes, Nora.
Lion and rabbit.
Lion and Rabbit. Okay, very good. So these are some of the famous stories. So she also likes to listen to these kind of stories, right? You all must have heard about it when you were a little smaller, all these kind of stories. So
Yes.
she also likes to listen to these kind of stories. She also likes to listen to stories about ships. Do you know any stories related to ships? Have you heard about Sindbad the Sailor? Anybody has heard about Sindbad the Sailor? No. Okay, fine, no problem. So she also likes to listen to stories about ships, okay? And what else? What are the ships that sail? What is the meaning of sail? Do you know what the meaning of
Ma'am,
sail is? Yes.
boat.
Huh?
Boat. Ship.
Boat.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ship. Ma'am, ship.
What is the
Ma'am,
meaning of sail?
ma'am, ship. Traveling.
Huh?
Traveling on water by
Ah.
ship or boat.
Okay, traveling on water by ship or boat. Okay, you can. Have you ever heard anybody saying I traveled or I sailed by a car? No.
No.
Okay, so anything, any vehicle that moves on water is called sailing or sail. Okay, so traveling
ma'am.
on water is called sailing.
Okay, ma'am.
She also likes to listen to stories of heroes who win wars. Who are heroes? Who are heroes?
Brave people.
Brave people. Can you give me an example of brave people? Anybody can give me an example of brave people?
Ma'am,
Huh?
poets. Ma'am,
Police. What did you say?
ma'am,
Yes, Nora.
soldiers.
Soldiers, very good. Yes, soldiers is an example of brave people. Okay, so she likes to listen to stories about soldiers or people who are fighting for the nation, army people. Okay,
Freedom fighters.
yes, freedom fighters. Yes, very good. And she also likes to listen to stories about sun, moon, and stars. Yes, I think everybody likes to listen to stories about the sun, moon, and
Yes.
stars.
Yes.
Okay. And what else is she telling her Nani? She's telling her Nani, Nani, whichever story you tell me after sunset, which means the stories that her Nani tells her at bedtime, she will always remember. She will not forget. Okay? Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
This is what the girl is telling her grandmother in the second stanza. Anamika, can you read the second paragraph? The one that we did today.
Oh, Nani, tell me a tale of lions and tigers and ships that sail, of heroes who win wars, and the sun, moon, and stars. Oh, Nani, I will never forget the tales I hear after sunset.
Okay, very good. Suhana, please read. Dulkafil, you're so fond of my class. Again, you're here. This is 2C's class. Huh? You already attended in the morning. You like my class so much, huh? Okay, Suhana, read. Read, Suhana. Suhana has not even opened the textbook. Please don't ask me which page number. Suhana, start. We are waiting for you. Suhana has no idea what I am teaching, which page number, which textbook. Aryan, please read.
And Hon Honey, tell me a tale of a friendly dog that
Uh,
its tail off and
Hills and valleys.
hills and valleys of forest green of little
Fairies.
fairies and their queen.
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 queen. Okay, of little fairies and their queen. Okay. Next, Rashid.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
oh Nanny, tell me a tale
Hmm.
of lions and tigers and ships that sail,
Hmm.
of heroes who win war,
Hmm.
and the sun, moon, and stars. Oh Nanny, I will never forget. I tale I hear after sunset.
Okay. Okay, good, Rashid. Janita.
Ma'am, first paragraph.
Yes.
Oh, Nanny, tell me a tale
Uh,
of a friendly dog that wags its tail, of hills and
hmm.
and
Valleys and
forest,
forests.
valleys and forest green,
Hmm.
of little fairies and her queen
And their queen.
and their queen.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Adnan,
Ma'am,
second paragraph.
okay. Oh Nanny, tell me a tale of lions and tigers
Hmm.
and sheep that sail, and heroes who win wars, and the sun, moon, and stars.
Hmm.
Oh Nanny, I will never forget the tales I hear after sunset.
Hmm. Okay, very good. Rissa.
Ma'am, oh Nanny, tell me a tale
Hmm.
of a friendly dog that wags its tail, of hills and valleys and forest green, of little fairies and their queen.
Okay. Agnes.
Oh, Nanny, tell me a tale of lions and tigers and ships that sail, of heroes who wins wars, and the sun, moon, and stars. Oh, Nanny, I will never forget the tales I hear after sunset. Thank
Oh,
you.
okay. Yes, Rex.
Oh, Nanny, tell me a tale
Hmm.
of a friendly dog that wags its tail,
Hmm.
of hills and valleys
Hmm.
and forest green, of little fairies and their queen.
Hmm.
Oh, Nanny, tell me a tale of lions and tigers and sheep and that sail, of heroes who win wars, and the sun, moon, and stars.
Hmm.
Oh, Nanny, I will never forget
Hmm.
the tales I hear after sunset.
Okay. Janicia.
Oh, Nanny, tell me a tale of a friendly dog
Hmm.
that walks it his tail,
Hmm.
of hill and valleys and forest green,
Hmm.
of little fairy and their queen.
Hmm.
Oh,
Okay.
Nanny,
Enough, Janicia. Yes. Sarah.
oh, Nanny, tell me a tale
Hmm.
of lion and tigers and sheep and deer.
Ships that sail.
of ho- ho- heroes how mean fire and the sun, moon and stars. Oh Nanny, I will never forget the tales I hear after sunset.
Tales I hear after the sunset. Okay, very good. Parvana.
Yes, ma'am.
Read.
Oh, Nani, tell me a tale of a friendly dog that wags its tail of hills and
Only Jenny say.
Valleys and forests, green of little fairies and their queen.
Okay. Anna Mary.
Oh, Nani, tell me.
Read.
Oh, Nani, tell me a tale of lions and tigers and sheep that hills
Sail.
of heroes
Who can? I cannot see any word called can over there.
who when
Who win?
who win
Was.
and the sun, moon and the stars. Honey, I will never forget the
Tails.
tales I
Here.
hear after
Sunset.
sunset.
Okay. Tiva.
Yes, ma'am.
Read.
Tell me of a
Friendly dog.
that
To a children.
Yes.
in the valleys, a forest, green, little fairies, her queen.
And their queen. Okay.
Queen.
Okay. Now shall we move on to the meanings?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, take the rough book.
Where you wrote the meanings, same book. Yesterday, if you have written in your textbook,
Okay,
please
ma'am.
take your textbook. If it's a rough book, take your rough book.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So, yesterday we wrote two words, tail and valley, right?
Yes.
Yes. So today, we'll move on with the next word. We have sail, which is travel on water.
Travel on water.
Travel on water.
SAIL. Sail. Travel on water. Team.
A lot of audios have been unmuted. Please mute your audios. Sail is travel on water, and then we have heroes, which is brave people. Brave people.
Ma'am, finish.
Okay.
I'm finished.
Avantika,
Yes, ma'am.
Avantika, can you identify the rhyming words in this stanza?
Tail, sail.
Very good. Tail,
Get sunset.
tail, sail, forget sunset.
Sunset.
Hmm. One more is there.
Was
Hmm.
stars.
Very good. Wars, stars. Okay, this you can underline. Rhyming words you can underline in your textbook. Okay. Yes? Finished, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, right.
Ma'am, we're right.
What?
Rhyming words.
I told you underline it in your textbook.
In stories.
Hmm?
Stories, no. That.
Has everybody finished? Only 2 words I gave. The others you just have to underline in your textbook. Yes or no?
Ma'am, I finished. I also. Yes, finish. Ma'am, finish.
Okay.
And
I'm
I
going
also.
to erase this. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
And yes. Okay. Now from today onwards, I'm going to start a new activity in each class. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Since you all are not, some of you have some difficulty in forming sentences. Okay, what I will do is every class, I will give you 3 words.
Okay.
You have to make your own sentences with that word. We will do it in class itself. If I give you homework, I know you will take help from your parents. So I want you to make your own sentences and we will discuss it in class. In that way, you will learn how to write sentences by your own. Okay? So today I'm giving you 3 words.
Okay, ma'am.
Take
Okay,
your rough
ma'am.
books.
Ma'am, take.
Please write your own sentences. Do not take help from your parents. Even if it is wrong, it is okay. Ready?
Yes.
First word, friendly. Friendly. I can write the words for you if you want. First word is friendly. Okay. Second word is busy. I don't want sentences from the textbook. I want your own sentences. Busy. And the third one is
I have a friendly cow.
I don't want sentences from the textbook. The third one is sunset. Busy. Friendly, busy, sunset. I will give you 5 minutes. Friendly, busy, sunset. Yes, start writing. Yes, Janita.
I'm finished. My finish.
You finished all the 3 sentences.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tell me your sentence with friendly.
The friendly dog.
That is not a sentence. I want a full sentence. What is your second sentence?
My father is busy.
My father is busy. Okay. Third one, sunset. What is your sentence with sunset?
Sunset in evening. Like that.
No, no. That is also not a sentence. Write again, write again. Yes, Janicia, you had raised your hand.
Friendly.
Uh,
My cat is very friendly.
my cat.
Yes.
Okay, my cat is very friendly. Okay.
My mother is very busy in the kitchen.
My mother is very busy in the kitchen. Okay. And sunset.
My
Hmm.
mom,
Hmm.
I didn't write.
You didn't write with sunset. Okay. Anybody has written with sunset? Anybody written the word, a sentence with sunset? Yes, Niharika.
Moon.
What?
Moon.
What? Niharika, what is my question? You're not even listening to what I am saying. Yes, anybody with sunset? No one. Rex, yes.
We watched
Ah,
sunset at Kanyakumari.
we watched the sunset at Kanyakumari. Very
We
good.
watched
Okay. Hmm.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, very good, very good. Yes, Serafina has raised her hand.
My best friend is Honey.
My best friend?
Is Honey.
Huh?
Honey.
But I didn't ask you that. What was my question?
Sunset coming in night. I love sunset.
I love sunset. Okay.
I love
Yes,
sunset.
Nora, you said something? No. Adnan, yes.
Mom, I am going to beach to watch sunset.
I am going to?
Beach to watch sunset.
Very good. I am going to the beach to watch sunset. Very good, good. Okay, anybody else?
Sunset is sunset.
Ah, what is it? Tell me.
Sunset is a
Ah,
sea very beautiful.
sunset is very beautiful. Okay, very good. Okay, so now you understood what you have to do, right? Everybody understood?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Yes,
Sunset,
Arfin.
sunset give us dark.
Sunset give us?
Dark.
That sentence is not correct.
Even
The
sunset, the sunset is hot.
Nora, I understood what you want to say, but the sentence is not correct. Okay. Yes, Arfin, tell me.
I have not seen sunset.
You have not seen sunset.
No.
Oh, you must watch the sunset then. Okay. Agnes, yes.
My dog is friendly.
My dog is friendly. Okay. So today I gave you simple words. Okay. I gave friendly, I gave
Busy.
busy, and I gave sunset, which are
Right.
simple words. Next class onwards, I'll give you a little more tougher words. Okay. So what you have to do is you have to read. You have to read more and more story books. So you will know how to make sentences. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Please read. Please start reading newspapers. The more you read, the more words you will get.
Ma'am, I
Okay, ma'am.
the newspaper.
Okay.
Sunset
So
is
for today, I'm winding up here. I'll see you in the next
Ma'am.
class. Okay.
Bye,
Thank you.
ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you.